Around 3 p.m., I was woken up and told I was finally going to get to see the judge. I was completely exhausted at this point. I was handcuffed to someone who I think was arrested for graffiti the night before. I didn't know what to expect. When I was in the courtroom, I was there with about 5 other people that I guess were picking up the night before for various who knows what. Everyone seemed to be very agreeable with the judge. When it finally became my turn, to hear the charges, I finally realized, I really was going to be charged with a DWI. Or so I thought at that point. I told the judge I thought there was no real evidence against me, and all the evidence was provided by myself. I had been cooperative as possible. At this point, I saw all the other evidence that they had against me, which I thought was completely ridiculous. For example, a green tint on my tongue, dilated eyes, and being talkative. This was the evidence that they had against me. And I said that this is not nearly enough evidence to basically, publicly shame people with just very basic information. I thought it was ridiculous. I tried to reason with the judge. I said, DWI, driving while intoxicated, is a very serious crime. I told the judge, there's mothers against drunk driving. It's not like I'm being accused of stealing candy. I really did use this example in front of the judge, at which point the judge told me, which I feel every lawyer has found hilarious, that stealing candy is actually worse than a DWI because stealing candy is a crime of moral turpitude. This was from an Austin, Texas judge.